Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley, and today I have another one of those plant unboxing videos for you. I got this one box in the post and I think I know what it is and I hope it's what I'm thinking it is, because if it is, it's a very, very rare plant at the moment. Let's get this little beauty out of this box. Now, let's see what we have. It's all taken. Can't wait to just fold it all out of the box. Maybe it is what I'm thinking, maybe it's not. Oh! It is what I was looking for. This is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely amazing. This is out of this world. This is very rare at the moment. And oh, I can't believe I got one of these so quickly. I've only just started seeing these online. And then I saw this one up for bidding. And I bid on it. And I won the bidding. Yes, I did. Oh, and I got this. Now, can you see what this is? Look at this a little bit closer. Look at the yellowing in this leaf together with the beautiful green. And then look at this other leaf here. Look at that. Look at the variegation in that leaf. It's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. It is just amazing. And then the other one here, just amazing. Look at those leaves. Oh, I can't believe this. I just want to go crazy at the moment. These are just beautiful. Oh, this is the very rare Monstera Peru Variegata. Now, there aren't many of these out on the market at the moment, I'm telling you. And I've managed to get one. I have a beautiful big Monstera Peru that is growing up a 3-meter stake and it's doing really well. And now I have the variegated variety. And not just a variegated variety, these leaves are just stunning. Stunning. Now I want to see if this plant has roots, because if it's got roots that are big and strong, I'm going to plant it straight into a pot that I've already prepared, because I'm thinking if this is this plant coming today, I want to be prepared to plant it, repot it straight away. So let's have a little look. And yes, oh yes, it's got, just open this carefully. Oh wow, look at those roots. There are loads of roots. This plant is just ready to be potted on and go crazy. So I'm going to do that straight away now. This plant, it's just amazing. I can't believe how beautiful the colours are. It has exactly the same texture as the Monstera Peru, the green one, and everything is the same. But the power, the beauty, the amount of variegation in these leaves, I'm in shock. What a beautiful plant. And I even think it has another leaf coming out. I can't wait to get this potted. And wow, imagine seeing this as it grows up. Now, got my pot here. Got my soil. Mix of a good potting mix. Lots of big pieces of wood bark and lots of perlite, so that this is a well-draining soil. So it doesn't become bogged down or anything for this plant, because it doesn't like that. It likes to dry out in between waterings. I'm just going to put it in now and get the soil in so I can bring it up and show you after. It's just easier for me not to get mess everywhere, to just keep it in this bigger pot here and then put all the soil around. So I'll just do that for now. So that's the soil done. Wipe my hands, tidy up the mess. Oh, the plant is very solid in the middle there. Now I just want to completely cover the potting mix with leca balls all the way over it to keep out insects from this soil. do that all the way around. It will also help to keep the moisture in while this plant is young. Keep it safe as much as possible. There we go, letter balls all over. So that was the first stage. Repotted this beautiful plant, a really good potting mix, lacquer balls around the top. Now I want to put it straight into a lovely, nice white porcelain cover pot and give you another closer look so you can see the beauty of this magnificent rare plant I've just got my hands on here. And oh, I am ecstatic about this one. I just can't believe it. So, straight into a nice little pot we go. Perfect. Perfect fit. So there we have it. This is my beautiful Monstera Peru Variegata, repotted and looks absolutely beautiful, healthy and happy. I just hope it carries on this way now. I'm not going to do anything else with it now until it's acclimatized for a couple of days, and then I will water it. I won't water it just yet. I'll just give it a little time to settle because now it's been on a journey and repotted and all this. So lots of things have been going on with it that can stress it out. So now I just need to leave it, let it settle down. But first, you need to have a closer look at this beauty again. Look at that plant. That is one of the most beautiful variegated plants I've seen because of the texture, because of the thickness of the leaves, because of the tones, because of it being yellow and not white. I love all sorts of variegated plants, but this one has instantly become one of my favorites. Look at the detail in that leaf there. And look at the detail in this leaf here. It's absolutely beautiful. From all sides, from all angles, it couldn't be better. I even want to give it a little kiss. Oh, gorgeous. I'm so happy. So anyway, that's what I had for you for this plant unboxing video. This one beauty here. I am just so over the moon. And now I'm going to put it somewhere where it can just acclimatize and start loving its new home. Oh, that is just amazing, people. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.